Hello everyone, namaste. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this is our second mini ಕಥೆಗಳು. ಎರಡನೇ ಮಿನಿ ಕಥೆಗಳು. I hope you have already gone through the first mini ಕಥೆಗಳು and there has been a very long gap that we had from a first to the second one. I hope by now you are comfortable and you have practiced little bit more ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay, fine. If you have practiced, please make sure that you will send those stories to me. You can mail to yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. Okay, so now let's start with the today's mini kathegalu, the different versions of a mini kathegalu. The first one is it's like today's mini kathegalu is basically the introduction, self introduction. Okay na, so let's start with my name is, I would say, Kamala or Raju. One is female, one is a male. I have taken. Okay, my name is Kamala. My name is Raju. What is name in Kannada? Name andre hesaru. Name is hesaru. What is my? My is Nanna. My is Nanna. How do I say it now? It's very simple. Nanna hesaru Kamala. Or ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜು, or you can say ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು, your name, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ this is how you say very simply ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಮಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜು. We'll go for the second one. I am from Bengaluru. I am from Bengaluru. Here I can write in a different way. I can say ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, which is very simple. Or I can say ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವಳು. So this is for female. If it is a male, then you would say the lu will become nu. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವನು, ಅವನು ಅವಳು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವಳು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವನು. This is a little advanced one or this is simple one. ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು is a simple one. ಓಕೆನಾ? So we'll go for one more now. So I want to say I am studying in 5th grade. Okay, what is 5th grade? 5th grade, grade andre taragati. Okay, 5th ಐದನೇ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದನೇ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎರಡನೇ, ಮೂರನೇ, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ, ಆರನೇ, ಏಳನೇ, ಎಂಟನೇ, ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇ, ಹತ್ತನೇ. So ne is nothing but that STRDTH, whatever you write in English, adu kannadadalli you would say like this, ಐದನೇ. This is a number 5 in Kannada. Okay na? So study is odu. Study is odu. How would I write this one? ನಾನು ಐದನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, in 5th grade, ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, present tense. ನಾನು ಐದನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. It can be both for male and female, it's the same thing. So 3 sentences, 1 story. Story 1, my name is Kamala, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಮಲ or ರಾಜು. I am from Bengaluru, ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Or ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವಳು, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವನು, ಮೇಲ್. I am studying in 5th grade. ನಾನು ಐದನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay na? If you don't remember 5th grade, then you would say instead of ಐದನೇ ತರಗತಿ, ನಾನು 5th grade ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay na? So this is our first story. Okay, so I hope it is comfortable for you now. We'll go with the second version of the story. Okay, yes. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್. I would add hello everyone. I would say ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My name is Kamala or Raju. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಮಲಾ or Raju. Then continue. And I am from Bengaluru. ಮತ್ತು and is ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು or ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವನು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Then I'll erase this part. I would write I'll go with this one. I am studying. So this is the first sentence. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll erase this completely so it will be easy for you to understand. This is the second version of the story. Okay? My blue pen is not writing properly. Okay? My name is Kamala and I am from ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವಳು. If it's a boy, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವನು. Okay, then I would say I am studying in 5th grade. How would you say this? ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Very good. In public school. So now I'm telling my school name. So first what I'll do is ನಾನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್, ವಿಚ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ? ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ is a near, ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay, clear? Any doubt here? Okay, I can add one more here. No, I'll stop here. So this is the second version of the story. So my second version of the story is, hello everyone, my name is Kamala or Raju. I am from Bengaluru. I am studying in 5th grade. I am studying in 5th grade in public school. My school is close to my home. Okay, so close is nothing but near, near is hattira, far is dura. Okay na? So any doubt here? This is the second version of the story. We have learned 2 versions of the story. Clear? So you can just look into this. Wonderful. So now shall we go for the third version of the story? Little bit bigger than this one. Okay? Fine. I'll erase this part completely. I hope by now you remember the words that we have used. Okay? Very good. So let's start with the third version of the story. The third version of the story, it starts with hello everyone. Ellarigu namaskara. Okay? Hello everyone. Ellarigu namaskara. My name is Kamala. My name is Kamala or Raju. Here is my introduction. Here is my introduction. Here is my introduction is nothing but ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ. Or I can say ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ. Or I can say ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Okay? I'll write the simplest one. ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Or you can also say ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ. Okay? I live in Whitefield. So now I am taking the I live in Whitefield. ನಾನು ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀವ್ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, then I would say my native is Tamil Nadu. You can write Kerala, Bengal, Delhi, Mumbai, anything. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಊರು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು. ನನ್ನ ಊರು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು. So first I wrote I live in Whitefield. Next I wrote my native place is Tamil Nadu. ನನ್ನ ಊರು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು. Then I am writing I am studying 5th grade in the public school. So this we have already written. So I am skipping this one. You already know. ನಾನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I joined this school. I joined the school this year. ನಾನು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. So I joined. This is very simple version. So usually we never write like this when we write the introduction. So this is a very simplest one. So I just want you to understand. Okay. ನಾನು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. Then I say my school is close to my home. And this one also we did it in the last story. So I leave this one for you. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So it's if I tell very close, then ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರ. Very far, ತುಂಬ ದೂರ. Very much or too much is ತುಂಬ. Okay na? Next one. So I walk to my school every day. Okay. So I walk to my school every day. So is nothing but ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಕ್? ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. I'll go by walk. ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. That's a little about me. That's a little about me. Thank you. So how would say ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕಿರು. ಕಿರು is nothing but a little. ಕಿರು introduction, ಪರಿಚಯ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Only if you are very much good in the first 10-second story, you will go to the third story. Illane, don't go to the third story. Anyone from 6th grade to 10th grade, you can go for the third story, third level story. From 7th grade to 10th grade also. Even 6th grade you can follow. Okay, na? So, if you are below 6th grade, make sure first you are good in first and second level, then you go to the third grade, third level of the story. So, this is our third level of the story. Okay, na? So, we started with the third 3 lines, slowly 4 lines, then we went to 6 to 7 lines. Alva? Okay, this is about the mini kathegalu, which will help you to narrate the story and create your own stories. So now what you have to do, you have to frame your own story just similar to this one and do send it to yashasvikanadavani@gmail.com. I'll meet you all with one more story very soon. This will be weekly one series basically. So this week it's I've uploaded on Monday. So next Monday you will find the another story of the mini kathegalu. Okay na? So thank you so much. See you soon. If you have any doubt, any questions, please do let me know. Share this with your friends and let them also learn writing stories. Thank you so much. Namaskara.
From Yashasvi Kannadavani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be. You have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like Madi, share Madi, subscribe Madi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe Madkodi, click on the notification so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.